Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Janet Vitamin C Bleaching Cream. First, ensure your skin is clean and completely dry. Use a gentle cleanser, then pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Next, it's crucial to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of skin, like behind your ear or on your inner arm, at least 24 hours before applying it to a larger area. This helps check for any adverse reactions. Finally, prepare your workspace by having the cream, a non-metallic mixing bowl, and an applicator ready. Now, let's move on to the application. Carefully mix a small amount of the Janet Vitamin C Bleaching Cream in a non-metallic bowl. Always follow the specific mixing instructions provided on the product packaging to ensure proper activation. Once mixed, use a clean applicator to apply a thin, even layer of the cream to the areas of your skin you wish to treat. Be very careful to avoid sensitive areas such as your eyes, nostrils, mouth, and any areas with broken or irritated skin. Timing is critical for effective and safe use. Allow the cream to remain on your skin for the duration specified in the product instructions, which is typically between 10 and 15 minutes. It is very important not to exceed the maximum recommended application time, as this can lead to skin irritation or other adverse effects. Once the time is up, gently rinse the treated area with cool water. Make sure to remove all traces of the cream from your skin. After rinsing, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Follow up by applying a soothing, hydrating moisturizer to help calm and nourish your skin. It's essential to protect your skin from sun exposure, so always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 on treated areas, even on cloudy days. Consistency is key for best results and skin health. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.